Hello everyone. I am glad to welcome you to the fifth video in our container deployment video series. In this video, our main topic of discussion will be the process involved in deploying Bold BI multi-container Docker image with Docker Swarm. I will be walking you through the deployment steps in a detailed manner. First, open the terminal and check whether Docker is installed using the command docker. You will need to initialize a Swarm instance. To do this, execute the command docker swarm init advertise addr IP address and replace IP address with the DNS or public IP address of your host machine. Next, you need to create a specific folder for the Bold BI application. This can be done using the command mkdir folder name. After creating the folder, navigate to it using the command cd folder name. In the next step, create and open the docker compose.yaml file using the command notepad docker compose.yaml. Copy the code for the file from the GitHub location provided in this video's description and paste it in the file. Once done, save the file using the shortcut keys Ctrl+S. Continuing, you need to create and open the server configuration file default.conf. Like the previous step, the code for this can be found in the link in our video description. Copy the code and paste it in the configuration file. You also need to create a shared folder for both the application data and database configuration data in the host machine. This can be done with the command mkdir folder name. Then, open the Docker Compose file in edit mode using the command notepad file name. You have to change appbase URL to the DNS or IP address where the application will be hosted, under the services in environment. After that, navigate to the reverse proxy section and update the server configuration file location in volumes. You should also provide the directory for application data in the host machine in device under the Bold Services data section. Similarly, add the directory for database data in the host machine in device under the DB data section. Once all these changes are made, save the file and run the command docker stack deploy compose file docker compose.yaml bold bi to apply the Docker Swarm configuration in the Bold BI application. Finally, open the URL in the browser where the application has been deployed. If everything has been done correctly, you will see that the application has been installed successfully. With that, we have reached the end of the video. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the steps to deploy Bold BI multi-container Docker images with Docker Swarm. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will discuss the steps involved in deploying Bold BI multi-container Docker images in Google Kubernetes engine. Thank you for watching.